I ain't even about to say what's up, YouTube, all that shit I used to do. You feel me? Type shit. Type shit. Yo, she's shopping and she's like not knowing what to get for real. She said I'm making it worse, I think.
I just had some fucking show. Bro, what do you think?
You need a nickname for my channel because I don't know if you don't want people to know who you are.
Huh? They don't know who I am. Like, I feel like I have a distinct voice, a distinct face.
So you think they just gonna know? Somebody one day they gonna know, but you might want to ease into this. You know? I'm gonna just call her A. A. See, I just follow them around the store, fellas. Take advice from me. Just follow them, let them do what they gonna do. Type shit. Yeah, like you making me feel crazy. Like water and not salad no more, I guess. Something frozen. Barely, hardly barely type shit.
I need to go.
Wait, what? I eat all fruit and vegetables. I'm just being honest.
Hi shoppers, don't forget to stop by the bakery today. Just follow your nose. We have wonderful breads, cakes, cookies, rolls, bagels, pastries, and muffins. Do you have a special occasion coming up? Let us help you.
She's indecisive, bro.
Or dress up some cupcakes.
Her name is A. That's what we're gonna call her. A. She want me to buy something, bro. You feel like cooking? Alright, so I'm gonna grab 20. I'm not laughing at you. I swear to God. You just happened to fall. I was laughing at what you said though. Bro, she said a 20. She about to bust her ass, but she said a 24-hour notice. That's funny as hell. But I feel you though, for real. I feel you.
How much is this shit? $2.49?
$2.49.
No, I hate when people say, "Oh, water this and it's not."
No.
Are you gonna get something?
You say you don't feel like cooking. I was gonna get like some broccoli shit.
Yeah, you got me thinking.
But like, what to get though? You tell me.
You can do that shit like
Another day.
yeah.
What you want me to get though? You better chill.
I bet I keep tripping. This shit pissed me off. I just tripped you off under it.
How about you get a salad and get me one with what you get? Get 2 salads.
Bro.
You feel me? Oranges and grapes.
Huh?
Oranges and grapes type shit. You gotta get on that.
I know, but I don't want that right now. I'm gonna get some peppers. And you doing hummus.
You gotta get on that wave.
Mm-hmm.
Peppers and hummus.
What should I get? Carrots.
You like carrots?
I don't like cooked carrots.
Carrots and ranch type shit, or broccoli and ranch.
Yeah, I don't know. I can do myself. But yeah, ranch. You know, what the fuck is this?
I told her to go to farmer's market. It's better, but or Whole Foods, Trader
Never
Joe's.
mind, they do got the salad. Hold on.
to having shit.
I can't hold on this shirt.
We should have got a carriage.